Okay, it's time to do the potato race. Okay. Hello, Elroads here, and today, surprise, what? What? Oh great, it's one of these. This is gonna be one of the many races I just hate. Do we have to, like, click on it? No, you have to just walk over it. Oh, wow. Are we really doing the potato race? Are we actually doing the potato race? Am I really epically failing the potato race? I feel like it's a basic thing. It's just run around some potatoes, right? Never ever seen this before. This is probably the weirdest race I have ever done. When I heard the title Potato Race come up, I kinda expected something like maybe picking a bunch of potatoes off of your horse, or running a barrel race thing where you run around potatoes. Wow, I'm really gonna hate that race. Anywho, that's not actually why we came here today. What? Another one? What? And then, to follow it, we have the carrot race. Oh my god. I've been, like, making this field growing plants for, like, a while now. Just working on it, but I didn't know there was gonna be a potato race and a carrot race. Oh my god, is there gonna be a lettuce and squash race? Oof, where are we going? Oof. Whee! Whoa. I never thought I'd say the day where I could say that I did the potato race. Hey, what's up? What's going on? I did the potato race, huh? Bet you've never done the potato. Oh, what? Oh, right, there's just the cabbage race. Yeah. Who even am I to say that I didn't even think about the cabbage race? Who even do I think I am? Because that's a normal thing. Basic thing, people. You need to learn about your cabbage and potato race. Where on earth? Okay, just a little thing. These checkpoints are placed so weird. Like, geez, little warning that I need to turn. Like, at least do the little turning sign that they do in the riding arena. He said there's only the cabbage race left to go, so I hope that it's only the cabbage race to go. Whee! It's kind of fun turning, but at the same time, it's extremely annoying. I wonder, wait, is there gonna be more racing? Yeah, sorry, I can't see the time. It's gonna end on a cliffhanger. Wow, that's a lot of money. Or Jorvik songs, I should say. Okay, good. Feed Steve's horse. Where is Steve's horse? I didn't even know Steve had a horse. And plus, why am I feeding Steve's horse? And why is Marley giving me, Carney? Yeah, why is Carney giving me this quest to feed Marley's, Oh wow, a notification. Let me see if it's live stream. Oh, yeah, it's Ferris. She always does a live stream at this time. Oh well, guess I'm not joining it. Oh. Network errors, Metros. Wait, which one's Steve's horse? Which one's Steve? Wait, is Steve's horse in my stable? Oh, no, it's in this stable. Oh, wow. Wait. I didn't know. Oh, cabbage? Cabbage. Cabbage. I have cabbage. Oh. Oh, I think he meant. Oh, I think he said feed his horse says. Okay, carrot. I kind of love this Mustang, but I know when I do buy my Mustang eventually, I know which one I'm getting, I think. Yawa? What did that person say? By the way, I'm not actually Helen Opal. My Star Stable username is not actually Ella Rhodes. Or Ella Rhodes something. It's actually like Ella. It's not Ella anything. It's just Helen Opal Road. I have people on game calling me by Opal, but this is actually a funny story. So yeah, prepare for story time. Way back when I was downloading Star Stable, I decided that I was gonna design my horse and character, and I wrote in my email and everything. Well, not my email, but I wrote in my mom's email and everything, and then I forgot that you can name your character and your horse. So luckily it wasn't something stupid like Tiger Stripe. Very sorry if you have that as your starter horse name or any of your horse's name. Go to Fort Pinta, you can change their name. Oh, no, I didn't say anything about changing a name. No way. Nope! I'm doing those later. I need to go to South Hoof. They have a special quest for me. Oof. Ouch. I bumped into a sign, people. Okay. Ugh. This makes me want Golden Hills Valley so much. I wonder if you can actually access this part over here and up here. I don't know. Oof. I'm really glad I didn't just blindly run into something. Oh, and the quest is actually going to be given to you by that guy. The guy who gives you the races. Okay. The robot, I should say. Oh my god, where are we going? Okay, right, we still have these new ones. Okay, what? I find it so funny that, like, we're at Steve's farm, but there's still a little thing to go to Steve's farm. Oof, this happens sometimes. It just glitched a bit. Okay, where are we going? Oh, right. Whoops, wrong trailer. And now it's time to gallop. Gallopede. Wait, okay. Oh, I love the music on South Hoof. I wonder if we're gonna pass the wild herd or not. Selfie! No, JK, I have enough selfies on South Hoof. Like, I've got some me chasing the wild horses, and then I've got some taking care of the South Hoof fool. Okay, yeah, we totally just, that happens. One sec, people. Nope. Okay, this is not how you sit on a chair. You need to sit up. Oof. Ouch. Okay. Oh wow. I'm surprised my horse actually, some things that like my horse drops, and I'm just really surprised that they live. These are some ponies that I will get soon. I mean, that I won't get. I just don't like them. It's not that I don't like them, it's just that I really want the Canamera because they're really fast. So yeah. I wonder if he's gonna give us another race. That would be cool. Oh great, one of these. Why did you come here to the island? Because you had an exclamation point over top of your hill? Continue. Oh, wow, good. Nobody. Continue, good. The two saved Madison and her family. I'm gonna go kinda, I guess. What else should I ask? Ask, finish. Did I do it? Yes, I did it! Okay, those are really hard because sometimes you can answer wrong. Madison! Hi, Madison! Hey! What are you doing? Can I join in? I guess. Why are you asking Helen a load of questions? Don't you trust her? Well, I trust you. In any case, Helen. Thank you, Madison. I know, she's definitely got nothing to do with any missing horses. Seriously, Hermit, you're being kinda rude today. Right, Helen? Of course, I would never steal a horse. Okay, since Madison trusts you, and since you've helped me quite a lot, I'll choose to trust you. Wow, we're leveling up quick. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, wow, horses are coming. Hey! Oh, what? Oh, wow! Yes, another race! I don't know what I was about to say, but oh well, another race. Well, you must understand that I've started to become suspicious that some of the island wild horses are disappearing. Seems there are fewer and fewer every day. I agree, I haven't seen them in a while. I mean, last week, I guess, but I've been running around here a lot more than that, training and stuff. Just for your chunks. That's why I thought, along with, Madison, that we should attach transmitters to the horses so we can, keep track of them. Since you've got Onyx magic with you, might you be able to ride and meet Madison? Then you can attach the transmitters to the horses. Of course, I'll do that. Of course, anything for the little cute ponies. It's, rather tricky to be able to get the transmitters, attached to. You need to keep pace with the horse you're trying to attach it to. Yeah, Onyx magic is good with that. Do you understand? Good. Ride out and attach the transmitters to the horses. What are you waiting for? Nothing. You just haven't let me gone yet. Wow, that's a lot of XP and Jorvik shillings and person shillings, and wow, oh wow. I think, oh, we only need to attach it to 3. Okay, easy, Madison, it's gonna be bumpy. Wait. Oh, right, the horses. You're actually right away. It's funny, because the horses are actually invisible, which does not help anybody. Oh, there it is. Oh, I forgot that arrow on the map actually doesn't help. Oh my god. Okay. We can do this, Onyx magic. Nope. Okay. We can do this. Whoa. I guess a lot of people take a while to do this race. Okay, we got it. We got it. 1 horse. A lot of people take a long time doing this race because the time limit is not over 9 minutes. Probably over 10 because it's already been about a minute. Perfect, 2 horses. Easy. Easy, get in line. Oh, dang it. Oh. Come on, boy. Kick it up a notch. Okay, I need to fast gallop at first and then slow down. We got this! Oh my, there's only like a little bit of time. This is why you don't run into objects. Oh, wow. Wow.